Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at MUSE, or it's called MUSE DAO. So basically the reason for covering this project is pretty simple. It is an extremely low cap cryptocurrency. As you can see, it has only 13 million market cap, and if you look at the Coinbase, it shows 7.3 million market cap. So low market cap coins have a high probability of going up, and they can actually make a lot of 3 to 4x as well. They are a bit risky because of their low market cap, but still, in a bull run like this, I think they are one of the best gems you have to keep in mind. So first of all, what is Muse? Muse is basically NFT venture builder owned by community. So Muse itself is nothing but a DAO which is governed by the community itself. So in terms of Muse token, it has the utility of governance. You can actually vote and get involved in their projects, and the next thing you can do, you can actually stake and earn some rewards. We'll look at that later. First of all, what they have, so the vision of Muse is that the Muse DAO focuses on building decentralized applications to further the NFT space. Anyone can join the DAO by having enough support from its member. So basically, anyone can actually join their DAO, and they are focused on the NFT space. So basically, what they are doing, they are making NFTs projects and games for their ecosystem. So how it works, first of all, a user can actually propose and vote on updates, and they can get funding, build for Muse DAO, get support, share and experience funds. So basically, all of their platforms are earning some fees, and those fees goes to the Muse holder as well. So their first app, which is called the Fast D app, which is basically a D app builder or decentralized application builder, which anyone can use. As you can see here, it allows users to make a web app in a minute. So basically, this is the backbone of the Muse DAO. Another thing they have something called White Lotus, which is the project in their ecosystem. It has partially backed asset with no inflation and unlimited liquidity. So I believe this has to do something with it is on the swap on TraderJao. So basically, it is on the Avalanche as well. So I think this is a DeFi project on the Muse. So another thing we have is the NFT 20. So basically, trade and swap and sell NFTs, and the NFT protocol offers NFT liquidity pool to help developers build the NFT. So this is the NFT marketplace in some kind. So it is called NFT 20. You can actually use this one to swap and other things. So they have over 25,000 NFTs locked, and they have over 312 pools, and they have done 5k NFT exchanges this week, so which is pretty good as well. So if we look at their assets, as you can see here, there are a lot of assets listed here. So beside that, they have something called sell their NFTs and other things. As you can see, this is a pretty good platform which is being utilized by the user. So that means that their platform does have some offers. So this is a very nifty. So basically, this is their first product. So this was a product where the Muse started. So basically, this is a NFT game, so where you can wrap and your NFTs and turn them into VNFTs. So basically, this is some kind of gallery. So if we do look at gallery, as you can see here, this is the leaderboard. As they have various things going on here. So if you are into NFTs, you can actually check that out as well. So another their product is called First Loan NFT Flash Loan. So these are basically flash loans. They flash loans have been around for, I think, quite some time now. So they also have something called Royal Game or Royal Game. The NFTs Royal Game is an experimental game and is currently in a beta. Any risk? Okay, so this is basically in the beta version as of now. They also have something called KUDL or Cuddle Game. Cuddle Finance is an experimental game, and so most of their products are in experiment, as you can see here. So this is basically battle NFTs for ETH. So basically, you can actually battle your ETH here as well. So another thing we have this. Okay, so So this is something actually Cuddle. So this is also a game which they have in their ecosystem, and they also have something called Space Go and Feather NFT. So they have a lot of things going on around their projects, and which could also be pretty good. So another thing you have to, okay, so most of them are connected with very nifty, as you can see here. So another thing you have to keep in mind is that most of their platform actually use MUSE is in the LP pool. So that means MUSE does have a lot of utility if you look at that way. So if we look at, these are the DApps built on their things. So if we look at the MUSE has a max supply of around I believe 1 million, as you can see here. Yes, the 40k went to the very nifty mining. So whoever was actually using very nifty at the beginning got the 40k, and as of now, nifty games rewards distributed at the end of the February 2021 100k, yield game farming over 300k with scheduled 500 tokens per day. So if we do look at just a second, that would be, I'm just trying to calculate how much is that. So if we do divide that by 5k, so that means in 600 days these tokens were given out. So if we look at launch price, I think we will be able to get the good idea of how many days it has been since it has launched. So first of all, let's look at this one. So they also had a drought treasury, we look at that as well, and deployment team also got 100k wasted over the 1 year. So in terms of their current token supply, uh, just a second, I'm not actually sure what is going on with this. Okay, so in terms of their circulating supply, they have over 950k supply in circulation, which is pretty good. That means most of the supply is in the circulation, which is extremely well. So if we look at their launch date, I think so it launched in December of 2020. So most of the tokens should be in the circulation, and most of them are, as you can see here. So the project itself does seems to have a lot of it is a low cap, so that means any what do we say, any low volume can actually pump this coin, but you have to be careful with this one because it has an extremely low cap volume. So if we look at their token, so this is basically their token, oh sorry, this is their SMUSE. So basically what SMUSE is, it's some kind of, okay, just a second, let me show it. So if you stake your MUSE, you get the SMUSE token, and SMUSE automatically earns fees from the different protocol earnings. So basically whatever their protocol are earning, those are given to the SMUSE holders, and you can actually stake the SMUSE and get the rewards. So as of now they are offering over 22.4% yearly reward, which is pretty high if you look at it that way. So in terms of their governance, basically there is nothing going on, which is a bad idea. So I think if they have any kind of proposal here, it will be the MUSE token will probably get a pump. But as of now, the last update was 3 months ago, so there is nothing going on around here. So if you are looking for a quick, if you are looking for a pump, you have to look at their governance as well. So in terms of their price, so now let's talk about the price. So as of now, as you can see, it is listed on Coinbase, Get.io, and CoinEx, and Uniswap, and it has extremely low cap volume. As you can see, it has only 180k volume on the Coinbase, and it has a high spread basically. So if you are planning to buy this one, and it is an extremely low cap, so you have to be careful. If the market cap does get low, the price will most likely fall, but if they get some money into it, the price will most likely pump as well because of its low cap. So in terms of price, even if it gets around even if it gets around 20 million, I think the price will most likely go over $23, even higher if we get the demand. So and it is a pretty good coin if you are looking for a risky trade. If not, it is better to leave it. But if you're looking for a risky trade, and as we looked at their ecosystem, it has been growing. So if you believe they could pump, this is basically one of the best gem you can get on the Coinbase. If not, it is better to leave it as it is, because it is a riskier entry because of its low capability. So that is what is it. So I hope you like the discussion, and I hope this then video was informative. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.